Hi everyone, in this video we solve problem 3.6 from the book Applied Thermodynamics, McConkey and TD. So here is the statement of the problem 6 from chapter 3. Dry associated steam at 7 bar expand reversibly in a cylinder behind a piston until the pressure is 0.1 bar. If heat is supplied continuously during the process in order to keep the temperature constant, calculate the change of internal energy per unit mass of steam. This is, let's say, cylinder. Inside this cylinder there is a piston. Inside this cylinder piston there is steam. The steam is initially in dry saturated, then expansion is taken place and work is done by the steam, and then steam follow from this dry saturated steam to the superheated steam. Okay, let me write the data that is given in the statement. The pressure P1, that is 7 bar. Also it say the steam in the first state is dry saturated, and also it say in the statement that change in temperature is 0, means to say the temperature T1 is equal to T2. Here you can say the temperature is constant, that's why T1 is equal to T2. And the next pressure is P2 and it is 0.1 bar, and this is the final state of the steam. Here the steam is in the superheated region. Let me draw its PV diagram. The steam first is in initial state, or the steam is dry saturated. This is, let's say, initial state 1. Then expansion is follow under constant temperature and reaches the steam from the dry saturated to the superheated region. Here the pressure is high, that is P1. Then pressure drop to P2 during this expansion of steam behind a piston. This will give you the work output, and in response heat is supplied to the steam. Here the specific volume is V2, here the specific volume is V1. Now come toward its solution. At pressure P1 7 bar and steam dry saturated, we can see from the saturated water steam table the U1 value is equal to UG1 value. Let me show you on the dry saturated steam table. Here you can see pressure 7 bar, the UG value, that is 2573 kilojoule per kg, and it is equal to the internal energy of the initial state of the steam. And also at this pressure the corresponding saturated temperature is 165 centigrade, means to say T1 is equal to Ts, and it is 165 centigrade. This is for state point 1. Now for state point 2, the steam is in the superheated region. The pressure P2 is 0.1 bar and the temperature T2 is equal to Ts, and it is 165 centigrade. Now at this pressures and temperatures 165 centigrade, we will see it in the superheated regions, and we will calculate its corresponding internal energy U2. From the superheated steam table you can say the pressure 0.1 bar, the temperature 165 centigrade is not available in the table. If you see that at 0.1 bar the temperatures 150 centigrade and 200 centigrade is available, but in between 165 centigrade is missing. So in order to find the corresponding internal energy at this temperature 165 centigrade, we will do interplotting. So let me write first the interplotting formula for U2. This U means internal energy, L means lower, the lower internal energy. STA is the temperature at which we are finding the final state internal energy, 165 centigrade. TL is this is TL, this is T upper, and similarly this is U lower, this is U upper. Now just simply put these values in this interplotting formula and you will get the final value of the U2. What is UL? That is 2588. You can see from this table. What is TA? 165 minus, that is 150 upper, that is 200, minus U upper, that is 2662. After simplification this will be 2588, and this becomes 15 divided by 50. Now just simply multiply and then add with this value and you will get, so this will be 25, this whole term becomes equal to 22.2. Now just simply add it and you will get 2610.2 kilojoule per kg. Our requirement is to find the change of internal energy per unit mass of steam. That was our requirement. Now the change in internal energy is equal to U2 minus U1. What is U2 value? That is 2610.2 minus U1 value, that is 2507. After subtraction you will get the change in internal energy, that is equal to 37.2 kilojoule per kg. And this is our final answer. I hope you understand. If still there is any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much.